Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 164th edition release. And today is the sale and hop. And if you'd like to have a chance to win a $50 gift certificate to her store, make sure you're commenting on everybody here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. You'll have two chances to win, one here or one over there. If you'd like to use my code, it's MOE for 15% off your total purchase today. All right, so I'm just going to do a quick recap on the items that she's releasing and show you the actual card that I have for you today. All right, so these were the Berry Love epoxy stickers. Those are super cute. Has a little strawberry design in it, if you can kind of tell. We have the chunky arch layers. We have the strawberry basket. You're the very best Stampin' Dies. And then the Strawberry House Dies. And I'm just going to show you this top layer here, along with all the papers. I showed you those in more detail on yesterday. If you'd like to check that out, you may go back one video. The Strawberry Fairy Friends ephemera pack. Really cute. And then we also have the Strawberry Fairy add-ons. Adorable. Okay, let me show you what I created today. It was the last project that I created for you, and it's so cute. I love it. I love those chunky layer dies, as well as this basket. Thought I would do it in pink, and there goes that little girl there, picked especially for you. I thought she was just adorable. And then I also used those little tiny bows there, and the banner dies. Yeah, just super cute. Adorable. And if there's anything if you have any questions, please put it down in the comments below and I'll try and answer your questions. And there goes a recap on everything I created for you for this release. Make sure you leave that comment. If you'd like to use my code, it's MOE for 15% off your total purchase today. All right, thanks so much everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.